Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your credit card on Cash App. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do now is just to go to your account settings and you can start linking as many credit card as you want. And simply, you will be needing just to go to your Cash App mobile app, and from there you will be needing to go to linked accounts or linked bank accounts. So to get to this point, you will need just to go to your profile settings or profile picture, click on it, and from there you will be able to see this view or the settings view. And basically we will find this account settings. And here you will find the linked banks. By clicking on the linked banks, you will find another view that will be similar to this. So from here you will find all your accounts. So basically those are the debit card that you have, and from here you can start changing your credit card, or you can even start adding credit cards. So you can either delete previous one to add a new one, or you can replace one by another one, etc. So you need simply to click on link credit card, and after that you will be able or you will be prompted to start adding some information such as the number of the credit card, uh, and of course the expiring date and CVC and all the informations concerning the card. And basically you will need just to verify your identity, I mean like just the face ID or the PIN code, so you can as a security measure, and basically you will have your card that has been added. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.